Hi to everyone, my name is Catherine. Today I want to improve my English. Over 400 people visited our library last month. Staff at the sports center are now available between 3 and 4 p.m. Candidates should select one question only from each topic area. All new students have to be registered with the Mr. Clark by the end of Friday. Provided that all equipment has been collected and stored, students may leave the classroom. White Hat Company do the majority of its students work in after finishing their degree. Despite some initial misgivings, the new laboratory has proved itself to be in an excellent facility. Environmentalists agree that the continued use of private vehicles will result in worsening air pollution. Thank you.